Okay guys, I'm going to send you to the shop. I want you to bring charcoal for 2,000. I want you to bring matoke for 5,000. So
yes, that is the green banana or matoke. That is called peeling. We have to peel it to remove the green covering, and that is how it looks after being peeled. So then the peanut butter, we are going to make peanut butter to make it sauce or soup, and cut some onions and put tomatoes in it, then put some water that is seasoning it. Then you can also eat it when it is low. It is very good eating it plain. Now taking it to have to take it to the fire to cook it. Yes, we have to stir it when it is on fire so that it doesn't so that it cooks very well. Now when it is ready, we have to, so we are trying to make the pottage out of matoke and peanut butter. So one of our kids, she's sick, and have to we are giving her some painkillers, and hope that she gets well. She was crying, she was in too much pain. Her temperature was very high. She was feeling headache and some fever. Yes, our food is ready. The pottage, that is the pottage of matoke, green banana plus peanut butter. Playing before eating. Yes, it is time for eating. It was such a delicious meal, and you can tell me the meal we had today during lunchtime. We had that pottage plus juice. Thank you very much.